Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the fourth question in exercise 1.1. Write the following sets in set builder form. So we'll take a note of the first set's elements. So the elements are 3, 6, 9, 12. Let me name this set as A. So A is going to be equal to having elements X such that X is a multiple of 3. I'm going to use the English notation. So X is a multiple of 3 and X is also less than or equal to 12. So when I say X less than or equal to 12, 12 is inclusive. So this set is a definition. You can also use the notation X less than 15. So then also this set will be the matched. We can write it in an alternative method too, where I say A has elements X such that X is equal to 3n and n less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 4. So this is another notation where I can use it to write the multiples of 3 as 3, 6, 9 and 12. So if you substitute the values, n is equal to 1, you get the 3, the n is equal to 2, you get 6 and so on. So both the methods are right. So whichever is convenient for you, you can pick that. Now let's look at the second subdivision. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So this time let me call this set as B. So B is equal to having elements X such that X is a natural number. So I'm using the shorter notation. X belongs to n. At the same time, I'm writing 2 power X such that where X less than or equal to 5. Why? Because up till 2 power 5, 32 is what you have these elements as. So this is the shortest form of writing this set in the set builder notation. Now let us look at the third question. 5, 25, 125 and 625. So whatever I have done for 2, I can replicate the same thing for 5. So set C is equal to having elements X such that X belongs to n and 5 power X, X less than or equal to, this time it is going up to 25. So I'm going to say less than or equal to 4. So X 5 power 4 is 625. So we stop up till that. Since we have already declared n as a natural number, the X values are going to start only from 1. So even that is taken care of. Now let us look at the next subdivision. 2, 4, 6 is goes ... means it's an infinite set. So here let's see. I'm going to define this as set D with elements X such that X is set of all positive even numbers. So this is going to be set of all positive even numbers. So I'm writing numbers in short form. So this is a good definition of all the elements 2, 4, 6, 8 up till infinity. So this is an infinite set. Now let's look at the last option. 1, 4, 9 up till 100. So if you look at these numbers, these are perfect squares. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2, 3 square is 9, so on up till 10 square. So now let's see how to write a set for this. So E is going to be having elements X such that X is set of square numbers, okay, less than or equal to 100. This is one way of defining set E. Now let's see another way of defining set E. Set E is elements X such that it is X squared where X belongs to n and X less than or equal to 10. So this is another short notation where I say E is going to have set of all elements that are square numbers of all numbers from 1 to 10. So whichever notation is convenient for you, you can use that. In the next video, we will see how to write the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.